I appreciate being on the table in Craig's office. Like today was one of those days where just through very, very subtle touches, or even sometimes he doesn't even have to put the fingers on the body. It can just be, 6 inches off the body. But these very, very subtle touches can create some really profound states. And sometimes they can be emotional, sometimes they can manifest sort of physically as my body's trying to work something out. And sometimes, like today was one of those times where it can just be just really blissful. Just this like absolute heart-opening explosion in a steady, grounded body, and just really present and open, and that sort of the definition of bliss that would come from Eastern religions, not like bliss like woohoo, but bliss like open and just here, like Ananda. And it's amazing. It's amazing to be able to kind of catapult into that state from such tiny little interventions on a massage table in a tiny little office. It's kind of a miracle, actually. Yeah. So today was one of those days, and I'm really grateful for that.